I'm Anthony, and this is Ray's Mama Bake. Today, we're going to make the Devil's Food Cake. It's a chocolate cake. These are the ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 3/4 of cocoa powder, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of hot coffee, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so we already have our flour in the bowl. Now let's put the salt. After that, we put the baking powder. Then we get 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And then we add 3/4 of cocoa powder. Okay, next we add the sugar. After that, we put the vegetable oil. Have your parents do this because this will get super messy if you drop it. After that, we add 1 cup of, hot coffee. Then we add the cup of milk. Then we have the eggs. Now we're gonna pour the vanilla and start the mixture. Now you put it up, and then we have Now we are going to use your spatula and get the sides into the batter so it could mix well. While that's mixing, we're going to get our pan and grease it. Okay, so now that's done, we're gonna let my mom do this part. I'm gonna go get her. Okay, so now that we got it poured in, then I'm gonna let my mom put in the oven at 350 degrees for 50 minutes. And now I'll go get my mom. So now that the cake's done, we're gonna make some frosting. Here's the ingredients we'll use. 1 cup of unsalted butter, 3½ cups of powdered sugar, 1/2 cup of cocoa, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Okay, first we put the butter. If it's getting stuck, use your spatula to get it off the paper. Then we put the powdered sugar, then we put it up and mix it. So now that's done mixing a bit, we're gonna pour the other half of the flour. Oops, I meant sugar. And then we're gonna put the milk in. 1, 2, 3. And then we keep mixing. Okay, now we're gonna pour the cocoa. The vanilla. And we mix. And then we put a pinch of salt. Okay, so now that's done, we're gonna get our cake and frost it. We'll let you know how it tastes. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch our next video. Here is our devil's cake.